you have to choose your battle.
That's right.
Right? My business partner Sam, he told me the same thing. Bhai, what do you want? We both want to be rich, right?
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I want to be rich, and I want to be serious rich. He said, you know what rich people do? Businessmen. We have to fight less.
Yeah. So जब लोग बोलते हैं डैन बिल्जेरियन भारत का,
तो मैं 1% भी नहीं हूँ उसका.
बट हमारे लिए वो 1% ही बहुत ज्यादा
1% ही बहुत है. It is like somebody, like you said, like bodybuilding, Arnold or whatever. I think I'm not even close. But yeah, my life dream goal is when I become older, like Stallone or Arnold, like in 70s, I want to be like, I want to look like them. I want to be like them. Because even if you look at Stallone now in 70s, you still, he looks really good. Same thing with Dan Bilzerian. I mean, I'm a huge fan of him and everything. But to tell you the truth, I did not do it purposely. I just went to Ibiza and I was partying and everything, and I was making money on Instagram, on YouTube, just trying to survive, pay my bills. And then I just clicked a picture with a girl, and I was very scared to not scared, but I was like, पता नहीं क्या सोचेंगे और क्या होगा. Then I thought, सोचेगा कौन कौन? You know, like I don't know anybody, and nobody is in touch with me.
Yeah.
You know, like usually आपको डर लगता है यार. There is a group.
Yeah.
I had no friends. I had only Dennis, who I do business in Goa gym. There is Sam.
Yeah.
And there is my family.
Yeah.
Relatives से मैं बात नहीं करता. So मेरा तो कोई है ही नहीं भाई.
अच्छा. हाँ तो डाल लेगा.
हाँ तो मुझे लगा ऐसा तो है नहीं कि मेरा कोई मुझे बोलेगा कौन. तो जो खराब कमेंट डालेगा तो मैं ब्लॉक कर दूंगा उसको. ये सोच के मैंने तस्वीर डाल दी. फिर एक डाली तो किसी ने मुझे बताया इतने सारे कमेंट्स, इतने सारे लाइक, वो पिक्चर तुम्हारे कहाँ कहाँ चले गए. I was like, अच्छा. तो I was there only. तो मैंने और क्लिक कर ली. You know, like this is I think 2016 or something.
And you exploded then. I think that's when Sahil Khan.
And then I started showing more and more and more and more. Then the newspapers, the all the web links and everything, and then I am getting like Dan Bilzerian. I was like, Dan Bilzerian? I was like, oh my God, कहाँ से कहाँ connect कर दिया? You know?
Yeah. But it really.
But now I do it for purpose. अभी मैं जानबूझकर करता हूँ.
Sometimes गुस्सा एक अलग किस्म का. अब आता है क्या, जब इतना सब कुछ अब कर दिया, अब तो नंबर्स गेम है. तो दिखता है 7-8 million followers Instagram पर, millions on YouTube also. Now when people question you, do you say यार अब क्या? अब तो तुम्हारे सामने है ना. Now what are you questioning?
हाँ, मतलब शुरू में ऐसा बुरा तो लगता था. But you know, I have seen so much rejection, so much everything. तो मुझे.
But you don't hold back now. अभी आप वो
नहीं अभी मैं
बॉडी बिल्डर के साथ जब फाइट हुई थी, आपने बोल दिया था मैं यहाँ हूँ.
हाँ, मतलब जो भी जैसा है अभी तो मैं कर लेता हूँ थोड़ा. एक because what happens एक टाइम के देखिए, you can't fight, you have to choose your battle.
That's right.
Right? My business partner Sam, he told me the same thing. Bhai, what do you want? We both want to be rich, right?
Yeah.
I said, yeah, I want to be rich, and I want to be serious rich. He said, you know what rich people do? Businessmen. We have to fight less.
Yeah.
So we can focus more on business. We are paying too many lawyers. We are paying too many. You know, I'm like, yeah, I know. But then sometimes he says, I know. You have come so far, and who you are.
Yeah.
Somebody says something to you. Sometimes you avoid.
Yeah.
But sometimes
You got to give back.